students. Today I am going to discuss piston movement or movement of piston in dashpot actually. Okay, so that is, we have to find out velocity of piston here. We have to find out. So let us see what is the concept here. In cylinder, this is B, this is length, and this is diameter. Okay, so there is a fluid. This is oil, highly viscous oil. Okay, so dashpot means dashpot uses highly viscous fluid to reduce the damping the vibration, to reduce the vibration. Okay, so this is dashpot. So what is the dashpot? Dashpot uses highly viscous fluid to reduce the vibration. So that when the piston moves downward, here, see here, piston moves downward, then while goes in upward, and when piston moves upward, then while goes downward. Okay, so there is movement of the piston in the while inside the cylinder. So we have to find out what is the piston velocity. Okay, so there we have to find out. Now this piston will have to overcome the resistance created by the frictional resistance created by the oil. Okay, now let us see, this is, we know pressure difference delta P is equal to 12 mu VL by B square. Okay, that is distance. B is the gap between this B. Okay, so this is B. So this B is the gap between the cylinder and piston. Okay, so this is your cylinder and this is piston. So pressure difference dP will be 12 mu VL by B square. Okay, and we know dP is equal to W by pi by 4 d square, this W. Okay, so this is dP will be equal to 4W by pi d square will be equal to 12 mu V L by B square. Okay, so now we have to find out V. Okay, so V, see 3. Okay, so this is WB square, okay, WB square by 3 mu L, V we have already taken. Now this is the velocity, okay. So total discharge by the while, this is velocity of while, okay. So total discharge by while will be V of while into area. So area is here pi dB, okay. See here, pi diameter and this is the clearance, okay. So this will be WB square by okay, wait, that is V. So V is 3 mu L into pi d square also, okay. So that we are having. So this is velocity of while is WB square by 3 mu L into pi d square into pi d and b. So this d and d will get cancelled, this pi and pi will get cancelled, and we will get WBQ by 3 mu L d, okay. But remember, this is the total discharge by the while. This equals to velocity of piston into area of piston, okay, will be equal to, this equals to velocity of piston into area of piston, because we have to find out the piston movement velocity, okay. So Vp will be equal to this, that is WBQ divided by 3 mu LD by area is nothing but pi by 4 d square. So it is WBQ by 3 mu LD, okay, into 4 by pi d square, okay. So this will have 4 WBQ divided by 3 pi mu L dq, okay. So by this equation we can find out velocity of the piston will be equal to 4 WBQ divided by 3 pi mu L dq, okay. So this is what our movement of the piston in the dashboard. So this equation, if you are putting all the values, that means piston movement is directly proportional to W. This is the weight on the piston, okay. So that if the weight of the piston is more, so piston movement will be also more, okay. So dashboard is used, topic is movement of the piston in dashboard. Here we have to find out the velocity of piston, okay. So dashboard uses highly viscous fluid to reduce the vibration, to damp the vibration, that is the dashboard, okay. Now piston moves downward, then while goes in upward, and when the piston moves upward, then while goes downward. That is why frictional viscous resistance is created, and here we have to find out, in that case, what is the piston velocity, okay. So pressure difference, we know that pressure difference between two layers is delta P is equal to 12 mu V L by B square, okay. And from here we have to go here, okay. So here delta P we know is nothing but pressure, load upon area, pi by 4 d square. So equating, that is 4W by pi d square into 12 mu V L by B square. So 4 3 are 12, and here we have to find out the velocity of the while. So this velocity of while. So V will be equal to WB square by 3 pi mu 3 pi mu L d square. Okay. Now this is the velocity of while. Okay. Now we have to find out the total discharge or total volume by the while. What is the volume? Okay. So volume will be equal to velocity of while into area. So area is surface area pi dB. Okay. Putting this value, we will get this V of while is WB square by 3 mu L into pi d square into pi dB. So pi will get cancelled and dd will get cancelled, and here we will have WBQ by 3 mu L d. This equals to actually piston velocity and product of area of piston. Okay, so we have to find out the velocity of piston. So WBQ by 3 mu LD divided by area is pi by 4 d square. So WBQ by 3 mu LD, 4 will go on numerator and pi d square. So 4WBQ by 3 pi mu LDQ. That means this velocity of the piston is directly proportional to the weight of the body on the piston. Okay, so these are the description or derivation of piston movement in the dashboard. Rest of the thing I will discuss in next class. Thank you.